Poly TV.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. With me Anwar in the coverage of the program held on the 11th of May 2022 in Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, Corporate Industrial Service and Employment Centre CSEC in collaboration with alumni PSAS. Let's watch the activities throughout this program.
Is concerning on manufacturing program. So our director from PSAS needs our lecturer from the other departments to involve with MPC to be a consultant on the module development.
Currently, we face challenges on mismatch from our graduates and also the industry. So MPC, as a productivity organisation, we would like to assist on the implementation of graduates in factory to help our industry also to graduate. Our aim to double up the productivity, and also at the same time we can help to reskill and upskill our graduates, and also to ready the employees on the equipment facilitation of the our industry scenario and landscape, so they can easily work in the field of industry.
Graduates in factory, basically GIF, what we are expecting is that we would like to match industries and also graduates from PSAS to work with the manufacturing and also manufacturing related services. It's not about producing things, but it's also about manufacturing related services such as R&D, research and design, logistics, quality assurance, quality control, and the whole supply chains of manufacturing. So what actually industries expected and also what industry needs basically is the so-called what we say is about the vacancies and also the technical expertise from the so-called these graduates. For example, like we want to have people that understandings more on the quality assurance. So it might be people from business admin who knows about statistics. It might be business graduates from technical expertise who understand statistics at all. All right. So these programs, I believe, will also ease the government as a nation, Malaysia, to bring up our productivity back to the standards of 3.6% this year, or maybe next year will be like 4%. Then we have more so-called this investor to come to Malaysia, and also the manufacturing will work very wisely with the helps from the graduates of PSAS.
Today, we discuss more towards how to enhance our TVET collaboration hub. That is the Polytechnic Automotive and Manufacturing Center. I expect that with the discussion, our staff can open their mindset to get more involvement to serve community in Tibet, because I believe that in the agenda of TVET Malaysia, PSAS cannot work alone. They have to do the network and collaborate with the other agencies like MPC and the other industries. Because of in the formal framework of studies, we come out with our diploma, and we expect that another reskilling and upskilling program to make sure that they can enhance their knowledge to serve the industry better.
Hopefully, this program will benefit all PSAS students in the industry in producing TVET graduates who are excellent in all aspects. That's all from me, Anwar bin Azhari. Live, learns, innovate. Thank you.
Poly TV.